Hello and welcome to this instructional video of the 3020 Elite Tactical Suit. Today what we'll be showing you is a brief overview of the suit, and then we'll also go through some of the different configurations which you might want to show the user. The suit that we have today is a size medium. It also comes in two other sizes, small and large. So you have a small, medium and large suit, and then it comes also in three different colors. Your Paris blue, which was what we have here today, your sage green, and your desert tan. The suit in itself is a very lightweight, flexible suit, as part of the NP Aerospace EOD product line. It's two major components that come with the suit, which is its foundation, your trousers and your jacket. That's it. There's no other pieces that you would need to worry about with the suit. However, it does have optional upgrade packs in which you can use. The suit also uniquely has its cooling system, which is powered here with the fan switch, and the outlet is situated at the bottom of the spine to give the jacket that extra cooling when during operations. So that's the complete outlay of the suit. What we're going to go on to next is the different configurations of the 3020 Elite. And what we'll do is we'll step up the protection as we go through its different series of configurations. Okay, so what we have here is the basic configuration of the 3020 Elite Tactical Suit. As you can see, Lian is wearing a AC914 helmet, which offers V50 protection up to 600 meters per second. Also, with the helmet comes in a range of various sizes. On the front, she's got the visor, which comes in three variants of protection. Initially, you would have the 250 meters per second visor. Steps up to what Lian is wearing is a 450 meters per second, and then we have an extra visor with 600 meters per second protection. The visor with 250 meters per second also comes in a CBRN variant for respirators and gas masks should the operator need. The visor operation again is very simple. It's just raising and lowering the visor with one hand to unclip on the side of the visor all the way up till it clips and then lowers in the same manner, clipping on the right hand side of the visor to lower the visor to its downwards position. That completes the configuration in its most basic form. Now we're going to add in some plates into the 3020 Elite Tactical Suit. As we've described in our previous segment, there are two pockets on the front and on the rear for these ballistic plates. The range of ballistic plates which NP Aerospace offer will be able to fit in the front of this 3020 Tactical Elite. The plate just slots, as you would expect, into the pocket of the front of the suit and is secured just down with Velcro. And there you have the suit in its second configuration, where you have the helmet, the visor, and two ballistic plates. Should you have a need for these sort of tactical operations, this offers the user blast, frag, and also ballistic protection. So with this configuration, what we're going to do is step away from the ballistic protection and step up the blast and fragmentation protection by integrating the 4030 Elite's frontal plate onto the 3020 Elite Tactical Suit. By that, we use a simple harness which goes onto the back of the operator, clips onto the front, and then you just exactly the same manner in which you would use with your 4030 Elite. You would then clip the 4030 frontal plate in place. As you can see, the harness goes over the shoulders like so. If you get the operator just to hold the ends, because what you will need to do is feed these straps around the front of the operator. She steps around towards me, and it clips onto the front of the suit like so. So now what we have here is you have your two lowermost buckles for the frontal plate, and then your top 2 buckles also are in place. Then simply the next thing you would do is clip in the plate. It's easier if you do the front, the top ones first of the frontal plate, and then secure it finally, as you would expect, at the lowermost buckles. So now we have the plate that's secured in position. What you can then do is adjust and tighten up the straps as you would do on the other suits to then fix it into place to the user's comfort. And then the last thing we would do, as we've shown before, is just lower the visor. And now you have a sort of high protection with the frontal plate and also your visor and your helmet. Again, still allowing the EOD operator to move with this lightweight, sort of very flexible suit, but also managing to conduct their EOD operations at the same time. So the final configuration that we have for you today is introducing the 4030 Elite Helmet. So you'll remember from previous where we had the AC914 helmet along with the visor, and now we attached the 4030 plate, and then finally today what we're going to do is put on the 4030 helmet. As you can see, all NPR Space's EOD products lines are completely interchangeable. So this then allows more versatility of the suit, where you would start off in its most basic form with no plates, stepping up to some ballistic protection with a frontal plate, removing that, adding the frontal plate from our heavier suit, which is the 4030, with the AC915 helmet. And then finally, what we will show you today here is the 4030 plate, 4030 helmet, along with the 3020 suit. Again, that's a very unique combination that you will see only with NP Aerospace products, where you have maximum protection that you would normally get with a much larger, bulkier suit. That protection is able to be integrated into this lightweight modular suit, offering the offering the operator maximum protection while still not compromising on mobility and flexibility. So that brings this instructional video to a conclusion. What we've gone through today, just to recap, is we've had the suit in its most basic form with the jacket, the trouser, and the AC914 helmet with the visor. Then we added in a ballistic plate into the front and the rear of the jacket. The second configuration, or the other configuration that we then moved on to, was removing the ballistic plates, and then we added in the 4030 plate, still remaining with the AC914 helmet and visor. And then lastly, what we have here is the 4030 helmet and the 4030 plate, offering the user maximum protection while still not compromising on flexibility and mobility. Therefore, the 3020 Elite offers the operator optimized protection throughout all different sorts of operations.